Hey there, RC fanatics and random YouTube scrollers who are just trying to watch cat videos but got distracted by technology. Welcome to the Bumpy Hobbyist HQ. Today, we are diving into the thrilling, action-packed world of mounting a tiny camera on a gimbal for the best RC car experience. These are the FPV goggles that we are going to use for this project. Those are the Goggles X, and we will link them with the Moonlight camera. I highly recommend checking the tutorial from CADDX website regarding how to mount the GM3 gimbal and the Moonlight kit. Offers very good explanation. On my side, I still have to print the plate and the mount for the antennas. And after that, on the next part 3 of this project, everything will be mounted on the top of the RC car. But after doing a firmware update on the camera, I started mounting it on the gimbal. Unfortunately, I had to troubleshoot for 30 minutes because I've mounted the cable the wrong place. So please check very carefully the manuals, otherwise you might spend some time debugging the issues. On my side, the issue was the fact that even though the movement, the telemetry was active on the goggles, and I moved my head around, the gimbal was not moved. So as you can see, everything works very well because I moved the Goggles X and the gimbal moves correctly. So can't wait to put this on top of the car. For the 3D parts, you can download them from the CADDX website directly, and also you find here the firmware files and everything related to the product. This is my beloved RC car, the Traxxas TRX-4. It's seen some bumpy roads but it still works like a charm. Trust me, I've taken good care of it. Thank you for watching. Peace.